Hello everyone, let's learn how to use green screen on TikTok. Do you want to take a photo with your parents at weddings, yourself in childhood, or celebrities, etc.? The good news is, you can easily achieve those cool outcomes with the TikTok green screen effect, so stay till the end of the video to learn how to do that. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First you need to do, is to make sure is TikTok app updated. If it's not, go on Play Store or App Store and click on Update button, then wait a couple of seconds for TikTok app to update. When you do that, open TikTok app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. Next go to Upload Video on TikTok, by tapping on little plus icon in the bottom of the screen. Now you need to be in front of camera. I will use green screen on this photo of man, on my second phone. Then you need to do is to go on effects by tapping on it, in bottom left corner of the screen. And on bar with effects, scroll to the right to find green screen, and when you find click on it. Now you will see a lot of green screen effects, and you need to click on first one, because that is a basic and best one. After that you can upload a picture from your gallery on background, by tapping on picture you want. And when you do that you can zoom in or zoom out yourself, on side you want, and now you can recording a video and upload on TikTok, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.